Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Disney Emoji Blitz. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you want to do, guys, is go to Hex Mods. Once you're here, guys, go find Disney Emoji Blitz, press on it, and you're good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And if we go to the search bar and type in Disney Emoji Blitz, as you can see, guys, it's super expensive. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys, because it's super cool. What the heck, guys, as you can see, it's super expensive. So yeah, if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to hexmods.com and you're going to be all set, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super cool. I can't spell though, but yeah, this is wild, bro. It actually works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super cool. So enjoy the video and have fun because this actually works, guys, as you can see. So try it out for yourself, get the word out. I hope you enjoyed the video though, so be sure to try it out for yourself. As you can see, guys, I'm super rich. So yes, it's super cool, guys, so be sure to go ahead and get the word out because this actually works. And yeah, you don't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I haven't had to do anything annoying like that, so I hope you guys have fun with this method. It's super cool, guys, so be sure to go ahead and try it out because it's actually working. And it's super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And it actually works pretty well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, subscribe because this is super crazy. And all you got to do, guys, is go to Hex Mods and you're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And it's updated and all that, which is great. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, but subscribe to the channel so more people know about the method. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.